If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. You can export artboards as separate files in Photoshop to create separate files from the artboards in a single Photoshop document if needed. Note that this is a separate process from using the standard Export As feature or Quick Export feature to export artboards as image assets, which is discussed separately in a later chapter. The Artboards to Files feature in Photoshop lets you export artboards as bitmap, JPEG, PDF, PSD, Targa, TIFF, PNG24, or PNG8 files. To export artboards as separate files in Photoshop, open the artboard document in Photoshop. Optionally, to only export selected artboards in the document, select the artboards to export within the Layers panel. Then choose File, Export, Artboards to Files from the menu bar to open the Artboards to Files dialog box. The current destination folder for the exported artboard files appears within the Destination field. To select a different output destination folder for the exported artboard files, click the adjacent Browse button to open a Select Destination dialog box. Navigate into or select the folder within the dialog box, and then click the OK button to finish. Optionally, to set the file name prefix for the exported files, type it into the File Name Prefix field, which defaults to the name of the Photoshop document. The name of each exported artboard is appended directly to the end of this prefix. To set the Export Content options, select either the Include Overlapping Areas or Artboard Content Only option to choose what to export within each file. To export only selected artboards in the Layers panel, check the Export Selected Artboards checkbox. If unchecked, all artboards are exported instead. To include the artboard background in the exported file, check the Include Background in Export checkbox. If unchecked, artboard backgrounds are not exported. To then select the Artboard Export File Type, select a file type choice from the File Type dropdown. To show the export options for a selected file type, check the adjacent Export Options checkbox to show an additional section below the File Type dropdown where you can set the export options for the selected file type. These options change depending on the file type. Set the desired file export options as needed. If needed to cancel the artboard file export, click the Cancel button in the Artboards to Files dialog box. Alternatively, to finish exporting the Artboards to files, click the Run button in the Artboards to Files dialog box and wait for the scripted process to finish. If the export was successful, a Script Alert dialog box appears on screen to inform you of that fact and show the folder location of the exported files. Click OK in the Script Alert dialog box to close it. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.